In this tutorial, we will be working with the publish settings. Publishing is very important to any project, especially such an animation composition like this. All the settings that will be used while publishing is in the publish settings. So let's take a look. Go to the file menu, select this publish settings over here. It will open up this little dialog box which says publish settings. At the left hand side, publish target is there. You can publish this composition either for web, which is selected, animate deployment package, and iBooks or OS X. We will let it be and come to the right hand side where it says web or optimized HTML. The target directory will be publish and web. You can obviously change this if you want to. There are three options given over here. First is use Google Chrome frame for IE 6, 7 and 8. That means it will use the Google Chrome technology for backward compatibility with all these older browsers. If we check this, it gives us Chrome frame installer. It says no prompt, iframe prompt and overlay prompt. We don't want that, so we will not check this one. It then says frameworks via CDN, that means a content delivery network such as Google Code or jQuery code library that will allow us to load all these libraries from external sources so that website can load faster, and publish content as static HTML. We'll come back with this later. For now, we'll click on this publish button, and if we come to our folder Edge, you'll see in the bouncing ball project we have this publish folder over here in which we have web, and as you can see it has published the project which have this bouncing ball.html file. We'll double click on this to open it in default browser, and as you can see the animation is there. If we right click and look at view source, it actually shows nothing. It just have one division in our body which has this composition class, and everything else is then loaded from the JavaScript. Well, this may not be desirable because search engine cannot find these contents, which may not be helpful. So what we'll do is go back here. From our publish settings, we'll select this publish content as static HTML option. Click on save, and then we will publish it again. Now let's go back and open this in the browser. There is no change in the composition, but when we look at the source, now you can see all these divisions are there, and this bouncing ball example text which was in the composition is here. In this way, the search engine can find all the content and our page is more visible to the web. So this was the composition and publishing settings. Thank you.